Guys, we're doing barbecue, crispy fried wings in my Ninja Foodi Grill. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button with the bell next to it. I'm gonna make some crispy fried chicken wings in my Ninja Foodi Grill. Now so far, we've only been kind of doing some grilled stuff in there. I'm throwing around other ideas what I want to do with it. But there's many other features to this Ninja Foodi Grill besides the actual grill part of it. You could air crisp in it, you could bake in it, dehydrate in it, obviously grill in it, roast in it. There's a bunch of other stuff you can do. So this is really an all-in-one type machine here. I'm making these kind of like barbecued fried wings, okay? I have this wonderful rub from Victory Lane. It's called Smokin' Chicken Rub, and it's a great tasting, sweet, barbecue-y kind of rub. Barbecue seasoning. At this point, we've already washed the wings and dried them, patted them dry. I have a gallon plastic bag in there. I'm putting a 1/4 cup of cornstarch in there. Maybe a little bit too much, but I want to coat these as best as possible. So if there's a little extra, there's a little extra. It's no big deal. And then I'm going to add about another 1/4 cup of the seasoning in there of that Victory Lane Smokin' Chicken Rub. All right. And then I'm gonna throw all the chicken wings in there, shake it up, shake and bake style. Preheat the Ninja Foodi. We're using the air crisp button. It automatically defaults to 390. Shut it, hit start. It starts the preheating process. All right, we have our preheating done. I'm gonna spray a little of this canola oil spray in the bottom. So it is a non-stick. It is a non-stick surface, but just in case. Get our wings laid out. Got these all nice and dusted up in this cornstarch and barbecue rub. So all I'm doing is just taking these and shaking them off and get them in there. Okay, they're all in there. Gonna spray this down on the top. Just to make sure they're nice and coated. And I'm gonna take just a little bit more of the barbecue seasoning from Victory Lane. Just get a nice coat on there, nice color. We'll shut this down. We do 8 minutes in there. We'll give them a check and a flip and check those temperatures, and we'll come back and do it another 8 minutes or so. About 8 minutes in, and give all these a turn so we get some even cooking. Woo! It's a little hot in there. I'm gonna give them one more little spray of the canola oil. I want these nice and crispy, that's why I'm using a bit more oil. But it's really, being that it's the spray cooking oil, it's still minimal. All right, let's do another 8 minutes. Okay, it's only been another 4 minutes or so, but these are getting pretty dang close to done. I don't want to overcook them. They're already temping out at like 190, so we don't have to spend a lot more time cooking these. Now we're just gonna get them to the point where they're air crisp, like really crispy on the outside. So I'm gonna flip them back over so all the skin gets that good heat from it. Give it just a couple more minutes and we'll be good to go. Woo! Get a little color on these bad boys. I like it. Woo! Mix these up a little bit. Not bad, not bad. Take the flat here. This is my favorite. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Oh, nice and crispy. All right, I'm gonna plate these up. Come on back for the taste. Hey guys, we're done. Got these bad boys right here. What? Ooh, crispy, barbecue-y, deliciousness. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna give this bad boy a try. Oh, that's good. It's hot. I didn't let it cool enough. Finger looking good. Oh, that's awesome. That seasoning, oh, just kills it. Guys, you gotta give this a shot. It is too good, too easy. You know, it was what, a total of 16 minutes maybe. Perfect. I'll have the directions down below and the measurements down below. You got to see how I put this together. Okay. So a little housekeeping items as we end this video. I have a Patreon account. If you'd like to help out the channel and be a producer, I have a bunch of different packages on Patreon. It's a monthly subscription service where, you know, your funds come help out my channel and you get little perks along the way. Okay. That is right here. Click on that or the link will be down below. I have a new Teespring merch shop. So if you want to get a shirt that has CJ or Cooking with CJ on the front and Crew on the back, or it's the same thing, Cooking with CJ, and then my logo's on the back, the link is down below. It's the Teespring. It's simple as can be. Click in there, click your order, click your size. We're good to go. There's some stickers in there too. Lastly, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grills, there'll be a link below and I'll pin it in the comments for this bad boy right here. It'll take you right to Amazon, my Amazon store. Again, you don't pay extra for it. It just little bits help come and support the channel. Guys, a lot of people don't understand that this takes a lot of work to make these videos. You know, we're paying for the groceries, the cleanup, the electricity, blah 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 blah. There's a lot of expenses and stuff that go into it. So anything we can do to help out the channel, you know, I appreciate it. Okay, guys, that's it. Come back next time. We'll have another great recipe for you. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.